Welcome to the series of video lectures on pulse and digital circuits. So we are discussing chapter 1. The name of the chapter is linear wave shaping. So in this chapter we will discuss today the response of high pass RC circuit with exponential input. Let us see. So as you know that the RC high pass circuit will be like this. So this is the capacitor, resistor, two passive elements. This is capacitor and this is resistor, where we take the voltage across resistor. Say the input voltage to the circuit is say VA of t. The current flowing through this loop because of this input voltage is say I of t, and the voltage across resistor is say V0 of t. Now say what is the input to the circuit? The input to the circuit is an exponential input. What it is given? It is an exponential input. So this is VA of t versus t. So it is an exponential input like this, which finally reaches to a voltage of V. So this is your exponential input. Exponential input. Now the mathematical expression for the exponential input is written as, the exponential input is written as, so Vi of t, so that is equal to V into 1 minus e power minus t by tau. So this is the mathematical expression for exponential input voltage, where tau is time constant of exponential input. Time constant of exponential input. Now, so the Laplace transform equivalent of the circuit is written as, so the Laplace transform equivalent circuit is, so as you know that the capacitor is replaced by 1 by SC, the resistor is replaced by R in the Laplace transform. The resistor will not change. The current in the loop is say I of S, and the input voltage is say VA of S, and the output is say V0 of S. So this is the Laplace transform equivalent circuit of this circuit. Now, as you know that the transfer function is nothing but as output voltage by input voltage. So therefore, we have derived in the previous lectures the transfer function of the circuit is, so V0 of S by VA of S. We have derived already this equation. So that is S divided by S plus 1 by RC. So this is the transfer function of RC high pass circuit. So in this, let us find out VI of S and take to this side, and V0 of S we find. If you take the inverse Laplace transform, you find the response V0 of t of the circuit to the exponential input. Let us find out what is VI of S. So what is VI of t? Since so VI of t is equal to, so V into 1 minus e power minus t by tau, taking Laplace transform to this, so VA of t is replaced by VA of S. So V is a constant. The Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by S minus Laplace transform of e power minus 8 is 1 by S plus 1 by tau. If you take the LCM, it will come out as V by tau by S into S plus 1 by tau. So this is VA of S. So VA of S is equal to V by tau divided by S into S plus tau. Now take this VA of S to this side and find V0 of S. So therefore V0 of S, the output voltage in Laplace transform is S by s plus 1 by RC into VA of s. So from which, so V0 of s is equal to s by s plus 1 by RC into, what is VA of s? V by tau divided by s into s plus 1 by tau. Cancel out s and s. So therefore V0 of s is given by, so V0 of s is given by V by tau divided by s plus 1 by RC into s plus 1 by tau. So this is the V0 of s. Now take the partial fractions, s plus 1 by RC plus b by s plus 1 by tau. Let us find out a and b by using partial fraction method. So therefore a is given as, while calculating a, so multiply this equation by s plus 1 by RC. So we will get v by tau by s plus 1 by tau. Substitute in this equation, s is equal to minus 1 by RC. So if you substitute s is equal to minus 1 by RC, you get v by tau divided by 1 by tau minus 1 by RC. So multiply numerator and denominator by tau. So v by 1 minus tau by RC. So that is a. In this equation, so n is equal to RC by tau. So n is equal to RC by tau. So that is RC is the time constant of RC circuit. Tau is the time constant of exponential input. So now in this equation of A, you can see that V by 1 minus 1 by n, because tau by RC will become 1 by n. So which will give, so A is equal to Vn by n minus 1. So this is the expression for A. Similarly calculate B from this expression. While calculating B, multiply this term by s plus 1 by tau and substitute in the answer s is equal to minus 1 by tau. So therefore, B is calculated as V by tau by s plus 1 by RC. Substitute s is equal to minus 1 by tau in a similar manner. Now, so V by tau divided by, substitute here, we get 1 by RC minus 1 by tau. So multiply this by numerator and denominator by tau. So we get V by tau by RC minus 1. So if you further simplify, take minus as common. So minus V by 1 minus tau by RC. As you know that tau by RC is replaced by 1 by 1 minus n. So from which minus Vn by n minus 1. So A is equal to Vn by n minus 1. B is equal to minus Vn by n minus 1. So let us substitute A and B. Let us substitute A and B in V0 of s. So in V0 of s. So therefore the output in Laplace transform, so V0 of s is equal to, what is A? Vn by n minus 1 into, so what is A factor? S plus 1 by s plus 1 by RC minus B. So B, substitute B and take Vn by n minus 1 as common. 1 by s plus 1 by tau. So this is the expression. Now taking inverse Laplace transform to find V0 of t. So therefore V0 of t, we get it as Vn by n minus 1 into 1 by s plus a format. That means it will become e power minus t by RC minus this term will become, the second term will become e power minus t by tau. T by tau. Let us make certain terms here. Let x is equal to t by tau, and we have already assumed n is equal to time constant of RC circuit by time constant of exponential input. If you take x by n ratio, x by n will come out as t by RC. So therefore in this term t by RC is replaced by x by n, t by tau is replaced by x. So let us make the final equation as, so V0 of t, so V0 of t is written as Vn by n minus 1 into t by RC is replaced by x by n, so therefore e power minus x by n, e power t by tau is replaced by e power minus x. So this is what you have to derive in the examination. So that is the output expression of RC high pass circuit with exponential input. So this is the expression you have to derive in the examination. Now let us see the graph of the output. Let us see the graph of the output. Graph of V0 of t, or waveform of V0 of t. So let us say this is your, so V0 of t versus t. So let us draw the input first. So this is V, the exponential input, this is your exponential input, this is your exponential input, Vi of t, exponential input. Now the response will be, so this is 0, the response will be something like this. Say for n is equal to say 100, the response will be something like this. This is the waveform for n is equal to 10. For if you take n is equal to 0.1, so the response will be something like this. So this is the response for n is equal to 0.1. So this is what you have to plot the graph for different values of n, where n is nothing but as the time constant of RC circuit by the time constant of exponential input. For different values of n is equal to 100, the response will be something like this. So n is equal to 10, n is equal to 0.1. So these are the output waveforms. This one is your input, exponential input. So this is what you have to write for this very important question, the response of RC high pass circuit with exponential input. Thank you.